Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to find all prime numbers between 1 and a given integer and return them in a sorted order. We'll use the sieve of Eratosthenes' algorithm, a highly efficient method for finding prime numbers. By the end of the session, you'll understand how to implement this algorithm in JavaScript. The task here is to find all prime numbers between 1 and a given integer. A prime number is greater than 1 and divisible only by 1 and itself. For example, 5, the prime numbers are 2, 3 and 5. For 11, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. We'll use the sieve of Eratosthenes to solve this problem efficiently. This ES5 implementation uses the sieve of Eratosthenes' algorithm. It first initializes all numbers up to num as prime. It iterates through each number, marking its multiples as non-prime. And finally, it adds the remaining prime numbers to the result array. This algorithm is efficient and well suited for this program. Here's how the algorithm works. We first initialize the arrays to store prime numbers and track prime status. Using the sieve of Eratosthenes, we mark multiples of each number as non-prime. Finally, we collect all numbers still marked as prime and return them in sorted order. Let's analyze these examples. For 5, after marking non-primes, the primes are 2, 3 and 5. For 11, the primes are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. This process ensures that all primes are identified and sorted. The ES6 version improves readability with const for immutability and array.fill true to initialize the prime flags. The functionality remains the same, ensuring consistent results. In summary, this program efficiently finds and sorts prime numbers using the sieve of Eratosthenes' algorithm. It is a fundamental technique with applications in cryptography and number theory. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I will see you in the next one.